AI Bitcoin Price Predictions 2026, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude Forecast Crypto, the AI wars heat up, how ChatGPT lost its crown, while Bitcoin predictions remain a mystery. Here's something that would have been unthinkable just 2 years ago. ChatGPT, the AI that launched 1,000 headlines, has lost nearly 20% of its market dominance in less than a year. According to recent data, ChatGPT's market share plummeted from 87% to 68% by January 2026. That's not just a dip, that's a seismic shift in the AI landscape, the changing of the guard. What we're witnessing right now is nothing short of an AI revolution eating its own children. The same technology that seemed unstoppable is now facing fierce competition from every direction, and the numbers tell a fascinating story. Think about it this way. When ChatGPT first exploded onto the scene, it was like the iPhone moment for AI. Everyone else was playing catch-up, but now, the playing field has completely transformed, and we're seeing some genuinely impressive challenges emerge. Take Claude 4, for instance. Anthropic's latest model is achieving an 89% accuracy rate in complex reasoning tasks. That's the kind of performance that makes you sit up and take notice. When Anthropic announced Claude 4 Sonnet and Claude 4 Opus models, they weren't just releasing incremental updates, they were throwing down the gauntlet. But here's where it gets really interesting. Claude isn't just competing on raw performance. Their Claude Code tool has generated $1 billion in run rate revenue just 6 months after its public release. That's not just impressive, that's game-changing money that shows real-world adoption at scale. Google's quiet domination. While everyone was watching the ChatGPT versus Claude drama unfold, Google was playing a different game entirely. According to Google's own benchmarks, Gemini outperforms GPT-4 in 30 of 32 established benchmarks. Let that sink in for a moment. The numbers are particularly striking in coding tasks. Gemini Ultra boasts a 74.4% success rate in Python coding compared to GPT-4's 67%. In reading comprehension, Gemini Ultra scores 82.4 versus GPT-4's 80.9. These might seem like small differences, but in the AI world, these gaps represent months or even years of development advantage. What's even more telling is Google's enterprise strategy. Google Gemini Enterprise, which launched in October 2025, is already igniting what industry observers are calling a corporate overhaul in 2026. Companies aren't just experimenting anymore, they're making fundamental changes to how they operate. And here's a move that caught everyone off guard. Apple cut a multi-year deal with Google to use Gemini models as the foundation for AI features in Apple devices, including Siri. When Apple, a company famous for building everything in-house, decides to partner with Google for AI, you know the landscape has shifted dramatically. The monetization reality check. Now, you might be wondering why ChatGPT is losing ground despite being the household name. Part of the answer lies in OpenAI's recent monetization push. The company announced it will be incorporating ads into ChatGPT for both free and Go users. While this makes perfect business sense, it's changing the user experience in ways that might be driving people toward alternatives. Think about it from a user perspective. You're trying to get work done, and suddenly you're seeing ads in your AI conversations. It's like having a brilliant research assistant who occasionally stops mid-sentence to tell you about a great deal on car insurance. Meanwhile, the competition is focused on pure performance and capability. When researchers can use AI to reverse engineer complex TCP protocols with 3 simultaneous connections and build working Python servers, as one user demonstrated with an AI assistant, we're talking about tools that are genuinely transforming how technical work gets done. The Bitcoin prediction puzzle. Here's where things get interesting for crypto enthusiasts. Despite all this AI advancement, none of these powerful models are making bold Bitcoin price predictions for 2026. You'd think with all this computational power and pattern recognition capability, we'd be seeing AI-generated crypto forecasts everywhere. But the reality is more nuanced. While Bitcoin's dominance currently hovers around 59%, and experts are analyzing everything from XRP to Ethereum for the next altcoin season, the major AI models seem to be staying remarkably quiet about specific price predictions. This might actually be a sign of maturity in the AI space. These models are getting better at understanding their limitations, especially when it comes to predicting highly volatile and unpredictable markets like cryptocurrency, the healthcare warning signal. There's another trend worth watching: the intersection of AI and personal data. A recent OpenAI report revealed that 230 million users per week are asking ChatGPT for health and wellness advice. That's a staggering number that highlights both the trust people place in these systems and the potential risks involved. Security experts are increasingly warning against sharing sensitive information with AI chatbots, whether it's ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini. As these tools become more integrated into our daily lives, the privacy implications become more significant. What this means for you. If you're using AI tools for work or personal projects, this competition is fantastic news. The rapid innovation cycle means you're getting better capabilities faster than ever before. Whether you're coding, writing, analyzing data, or just trying to understand complex topics, the tools available today would have seemed like magic just 2 years ago. For businesses, the message is clear. The AI landscape is far from settled. Betting everything on one platform might not be the smartest strategy. The companies that are thriving are the ones experimenting with multiple AI tools and finding the best fit for specific use cases. For investors watching the crypto space, the lack of AI-generated price predictions might actually be reassuring. It suggests these models understand the complexity and unpredictability of financial markets better than some human experts who throw around wild price targets. The bottom line: we're living through the most competitive period in AI history, and that's creating incredible innovation. ChatGPT's market share decline isn't a failure story. It's a success story for the entire field. Competition is driving everyone to build better, more capable, more useful tools. The real winners here are users who get access to increasingly powerful AI capabilities. Whether it's Claude's reasoning prowess, Gemini's benchmark dominance, or whatever breakthrough comes next, we're all benefiting from this AI arms race. As for Bitcoin predictions, maybe the smartest AI move is admitting that some things are just too complex and chaotic to predict with confidence. And honestly, that might be the most intelligent thing these artificial minds have figured out yet.